Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Biori. I do this research with my colleague and my supervisor. We are from Department of Mathematics Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Let me to present our paper about analysis of the epistemological obstacle of junior high school student on proportion topic. The background of this research. This research is motivated by most students who have difficulty solving math problems, especially in proportion topic. Epistemological obstacles are obstacles to obtaining new information. This problem were encountered due to the limited understanding or knowledge of student in particular context. Epistemological obstacles are one of the obstacles that are often experienced by students. This can be seen when students have difficulties applying concept or knowledge in different contexts. If the difficulty of students in understanding mathematical concept continues, this will become an obstacle that will become an obstacle for a student at the next level. Proportions is one of the mathematical topics related to concept and principle. Proportion topic is one of basic of other mathematical concepts such as algebra, trigonometry, exponential, geometry, and others. From the results of this research, it is expected to provide guidance and solutions in designing, learning, and teaching mathematics. The next part is method. The method that we used in this research was descriptive qualitative research method. And the data collection technique used was by giving easy questions and interview. The subject of this research were students of grade 8 in SMP Al-Halim Garut with a total of 29 students. The data analysis technique that we used was qualitative analysis from data reductions, then presentation of data, and finally data verification. Next, we can see part results and discussion. Based on the data from the answer and interviews of students on the given test, the researcher found several epistemological obstacles experienced by students. The epistemological obstacles experienced by students are influenced by several factors, namely, the first, student misunderstanding the concept. The second, student incorrectly using the problem-solving procedure. And the third, students incorrectly in solving the operational problem. In this slide, we can see two questions that we use to test a mathematical solving problem that we give to the student. And the first factor of epistemological obstacle that we found in this research, conceptual obstacle include. In this slide, we can see examples, some examples in from students. Students not using the concept of proportion in solving problem, and then student not writing down the variables that they want to look for, and the third indicator, students having difficulty solving problem in the form of stories. The second factor is epistemological obstacle that we found in this research. We use question one to present epistemological obstacle. The second indicator, the second factor, student is correctly using the problem solving procedure. In this example, we can see student student know or understand about the proportion topic, but this solution not correct because miss one step. In this slide, we can see conversation teacher and student, and obstacle to completion procedure include student not being able to complete the problem completely, and students not being able to arrange settlement step based on what is requested by the questions. The third factor in epistemological obstacle that we found, we can see from conversation teacher and student. In this conversation, the teacher asks to the student, where do you got this 24 from? The student say result 12 multiplication by 22, sir. Uh, in this uh, uh, in this answer is not correct or wrong, and the student say yes, I was wrong. Operational obstacles include error in algebraic operations because students are less carefully in the solving process. Okay, conclusion of this paper. There are several epistemological obstacles, including obstacle to understanding concept, obstacle to using problem-solving procedure, and obstacle to problem-solving operational technique. Each of these factors becomes a provision for teacher in considering the use of teaching and learning methods in the classroom, especially on the topic of proportion. The teacher can provide questions related to problem solving in the form of story questions so that students' critical thinking skill can develop. Thanks for your attention. I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.